Greetings, music lovers. I'm Greg Cherone, here to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, songwriting. Rule number 1, there are no rules. You could have Bernie Taupin in one room, writing lyrics, and Elton John in the other room with a piano. The point is, it doesn't matter how you get there, just that you get there. Grab your smartphone, hit record, and sing into it. If it sounds good to you, it probably is good. So, run with it. Tip number 2, say something. It doesn't have to be earth-shattering. You know, if there's something you're passionate about and you want to express it, you should. And the thing is, you can write a song about anything. Years ago, Carl Perkins was performing at a dance, and he overheard this couple, and they were getting into a little argument. He was a little concerned about her scuffing his blue suede shoes while they were dancing. Carl couldn't get over the fact that all he was concerned about were his shoes and not this beautiful young girl that he was with. Later that night, when he got home, he wrote a rock and roll classic. Tip number 3, be soulful. I could personally recommend artists like Sam Cooke and James Brown, who are very soulful in their respective genres. But if there's somebody that you admire and somebody that really moves you, I would suggest you listen very closely to what they're doing and let it, channel it through you. These are the people that inspire you, and I would say just use those artists who inspire you and let them work through you. Be soulful and sincere. That's what's going to come across. Hopefully that's what's going to connect you with your audience. It's just something to think about. Be soulful.